Hello, Barry Anderson here with the stock of the day, and this was the exciting one, not easy, but the exciting one in the room today, and that is ZY. There's my Canadian coming out. So ZY, let's take a look at it yesterday, and if you didn't see this one yesterday, absolutely got clobbered. I can't remember the news, but it absolutely got clobbered. Of course, this is a let me just see what it is. Give me a moment here. So this is a bio. Yeah, so yeah, bio. I'm just sorry. I'm just checking my single stock window. So anyway, got absolutely hammered yesterday. But then this morning, Kathy Woods from the ARC, all her ARC ETFs, I guess it was disclosed, I think she bought 2.5 million or something like that. Let me get to the 5-minute chart or the 15-minute chart. So it had a pop in the morning. You know, remember, here's where it closed yesterday around 8:23. Had a little pop in the morning, was up to 9. This is 9 o'clock, just before the market opened, and here it is at 9:15, just before the market opened, and boom. Now, I'm not going to tell you this was easy. This came in my option scanner. I think it was about 12:48. Okay, at 12:48, I'm talking about the price right here. And now it dropped back down to 11:50. I was saying, telling people in the room, well, okay, let's see if it can get back up to that option scanner price, 12.50 or so, and see what it does. And it got back up there, and look what it did. Before it pulled back here, I mean, it went from about 12.50 all the way up to 15, just like that, before it pulled back. I mean, it's still alive. I still have some left. I mean, I'll obviously have to trade this out because it is incredibly whippy. But man, oh man, what a trade. A lot of people took this trade in the trading room. Again, not for new traders. I mean, it is too whippy. It's wonderful when you get into a trade like this and it does this. Not so great though when, you know, it hits a high there of 13 and it moves all the way down to 11. Okay, so you've got to be careful. You've got to share size accordingly. You can't go too crazy. But boy, when these work, man, what a rush. And that's exactly what happened for many of us in the trading room. So that is the trade of the day, or trade, yeah, it's definitely the stock of the day for me anyway, was ZY. All right, I want to get back into the trading room. And again, in the email you're getting, don't forget the test drive starts on Monday. You want to sign up for the test drive. It'll cost you $11.11. You'll have access to 10 trading days with trade ideas with our premium service. It starts on Monday, so that's August the 9th, and it goes to August the 20th. So sign up. Again, it'll only cost you $11.11 to try us out. So, hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock, and again, I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.